Good morning, Year 5. For today's English lesson, we're going to do the starter to begin with. So I'd like you to look at the picture on the right, and I'd like you to make a list of all of the adjectives to describe the Peggy Sue, which after reading chapter 1, you should now know is this boat here. I would like you to write a 2A sentence to describe it as a challenge as well. So once you've made your list of adjectives, like this example here, you pick 2 with a comma between. Immense, towering, Peggy Sue swiftly sailed on the calm ocean. Pause the video now and do that task. Right, for today, we are going to be identifying unfamiliar words and describe their meaning. You are going to scan the text for new words, use context clues to guess their meaning, look the words up in a dictionary or use Google to search if you don't have a dictionary at home. Write a sentence using each word correctly. So, what is scanning? If you are to skim and scan, we've done this recently in a comprehension activity, you are opening your book and you are searching for words. So, for example, I've got all these words here: deceive, reservoir, skipper, exhilarating, ship's log, galley, laid off, redundant, fanatic, and undisputed. Those are the words that we are going to be finding the meaning of today. Now, if you're going to use a technique of skim and scan, you are going to open the document where you have chapter 1. You're going to look back through and you're going to find the word, first of all, deceive. So you search really quickly along the lines. Once you've found that word, you then read that sentence. Once you've read that sentence, hopefully, it will put into context and you can guess what that word means. If you're unsure still, you can then use a dictionary if you've got one at home. And if you don't have a dictionary, you can go onto Google and you can search definition of deceive. Once you've found your definition, because in your book, what you're going to do is have vocabulary word here, split with a line down with definition there, and then another line down with picture or sentence at the end. Deceive will go here. You'll write the definition of the word here, and then you either put that word into a sentence or you can draw a picture of the word. It would be very hard to draw a picture of deceive. However, when you come to reservoir, you could draw a picture, or a ship's log, and so on. You choose what you would like to do in that last one. You could even do both as a challenge. Okay? So today's lesson is finding the meanings of vocabulary that we are not used to. These are like our key words because they will come up throughout the book that we are reading. You can do all of these words here, and if you would like to, as an extra challenge, you can add more words from chapter 1 which you are unsure of the meaning, add the definition, picture and sentence, and then take your picture, upload it to Google Classroom, and I will have a look at what you've done. And that is today's lesson.